Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the exciting topic of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is the process of starting a new business or venture, usually with the aim of making a profit. It requires individuals to take risks, be innovative, and have a strong drive to succeed. One of the key characteristics of successful entrepreneurs is their ability to identify opportunities in the market. They have a keen sense of what customers need and are able to create products or services that fulfill those needs. This often involves conducting market research to gather information about consumer preferences, industry trends, and potential competitors. Once an entrepreneur has identified a business opportunity, the next step is to develop a comprehensive business plan. This document outlines the company's goals, target market, marketing strategy, financial projections, and more. A well-crafted business plan is essential for attracting investors, securing financing, and guiding the day-to-day operations of the business. Another important aspect of entrepreneurship is the ability to effectively manage resources. This includes human resources, financial resources, and time. Entrepreneurs must be able to hire and lead a talented team, allocate funds wisely, and prioritize tasks to ensure that the business operates efficiently. In addition, successful entrepreneurs possess excellent communication and networking skills. They are able to effectively articulate their vision to others, build strategic partnerships, and negotiate deals. This often involves attending industry events, joining professional organizations, and actively seeking out opportunities to connect with others in their field. In conclusion, entrepreneurship is a dynamic and rewarding field that requires a combination of creativity, perseverance, and strategic thinking. Whether you have a unique idea for a business or simply have a passion for creating something new, entrepreneurship offers endless opportunities for personal and professional growth. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Thank you for watching.